Hello! It is Thursday. It is almost the weekend. So we're gonna play with our little bunny cutouts. Aren't they cute? Actually, we're gonna use one of them. I'm gonna save the other one for another project, but here's the two. Aren't they cute? Look at them. They're so cute, and they're double-sided. So, and they have like a whitewash on them, which I love. And then there's a transfer that goes with it. I think I showed you guys the first day. I have so much stuff piled over here, it's about to avalanche. But look at, so you've got the two transfers for each bunny. So you've got the solid and then the details. And then there's also cute little flowers and stems and stuff. So I play with that. And then here's another new transfer that's coming out next week. I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna use our palette board. I love this thing. This is also whitewash. It's probably the same, looks like the same material. And then I grabbed some other stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. I kind of went in my stash and grabbed some of these cute little felt flowers that I've made, which I realized I need to, hey Stacy, you've been joining me every day, yay! What was I saying? Oh, I grabbed these out of my stash and I realized I really want to make more of these cute little felt flowers. I made a whole bunch of them before. And then look at these that I got on Etsy. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little carrots. They're so stinking cute. So I'm hoping to put those with my bunny. So I'm gonna paint my board. I'll put a little bit of pink on it. Oops, and I'm still using that same pink that I started projects with this month. It's such a pretty color. It's Waverly Ballet Slipper is the color. So I just think it's, here we go, I'll show you real quick. So cute. So again, I'm just gonna do like dry brush. I just want a little bit of pink. I don't want like the whole thing pink. There's a lady that walks her dogs every day. I get to see them as they walk by my window, usually about this time. I just want a little bit of pink on here. And I'm just, you probably can't see it, but I dip it in my paint and then I kind of like dab it off so it's not totally covered. Kind of like I did yesterday for the St. Patrick's project. So I'm gonna take some of my Distress ink, and I can't find my little finger dauber, so I'm gonna use this. And I just wanna kind of distress it along the edges a little bit, just to kind of make it like a little more vintagey looking. That's great with this cute little bunny. She's so cute. What's nice too is on these transfers that have multiple layers. They started doing this a while ago. They started numbering it. So you'll notice, let me cut this apart. There's, this one says B1 and B2. So, you know, obviously, it's pretty obvious on this one which one you use first, or maybe not if you're new to Chalk Couture. But you see it right. Oops, right down, finger in there. Right there it says B1, so you do this one first, and then that one's B2, so you do that one next. And then there's also registration marks right here, right there. So if I were doing this on a chalkboard and I want to make sure I line it up, although this one should be fairly easy, and even if you don't do it exact, it'll still look good. But if you do it on a chalkboard, you would chalk this one first, and you would also chalk these little registration marks right there. And then when you come and you put this one on, you would line up the little crosshairs like that, and that way you have it exactly on top of itself, and then you can wash off the little registration marks. But because we're doing this on this surface, obviously I can't do that, which is fine. This should be relatively easy to line up. And there's not probably going to be very much holding this transfer on to the surface because the whole thing is a silk screen. So you just got to be a little more careful, that's all. So I'm going to put these flowers aside. I may use them, I may not, I'm not sure. And then I'm going to do my bunny in iced coffee and bark. So iced coffee is retired, but there is a very similar color, I believe it's Dune. Like I say in my other videos, I use what I have, and if I haven't used it up, if there's a similar color, I try to, try to be cost conscious. Yes, Dune, which is pretty similar to this color, so that's an option. So let's put the bunny. Like I said, there's not much actual solid transfer that's going to stick on here. Just trying to put it on there as best I can. And there's little flecks in this transfer, which is going to make it look like the bunny's a little speckled. So what I do with these shapes is I get it on as best as I can, and I'm gonna go one way so that I don't accidentally, move it off. Because like I said, there's a very little solid piece that's sticking on your surface. So I'm gonna actually do the bunny in iced coffee. I almost grabbed a pen. That's how with it I am today. Oh my goodness. Although I actually got decent sleep last night, shockingly. I don't know if any of you guys have insomnia, but it's not the most fun thing in the world, but you know what? You deal with it. Let's see. I may not have put enough water in my paste. I prepped my pastes before I started. And I think because this one's older, hopefully I got enough water in there. This every time, but I can't wait till the new pastes. Okay, let's see how this looks. And I'm just gonna pull it up slowly so I can check it to see, yeah, because right there needed a little help. Oh, and the little flecks look so stinking cute. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So cute. Make sure to fuzz this one real well because that one's going to go on top of the chalked piece. So basically, since I don't have the registration marks, you can lightly see the transfer under, or the surface underneath. So I basically used the back, the outline of the back, the ears, and the tail, and the nose. You can kind of see like the shadow, so you can kind of line it up that way since you can't use the registration marks on this surface. Oh, I wonder if I should do her tail in pink too, her little floofy tail, or white. I'll do white, okay. Oh, it's gonna look so cute. I'm so excited. We were so excited when we saw these come out. So I'm gonna use let me do the bark first for the details. Do that one first. And when I put this transfer on top of the chalked piece, I didn't press it down super hard. Well, yeah. this one. I'm just gonna pull it off. I'm gonna do the brown again. Oop, the white started to dry too. What the heck is going on today? But you know what? This is real life. This is what happens sometimes. So I'm gonna wash that off. All right, let's try this again. I'm gonna just line it up with the bunny tail that's already chalked. Okay, so let me do the ears first. Do whiskers and bunny nose. It's too much. And I might actually go back over the tail just a little bit too. Couldn't hurt. Oh, it's gonna look so cute. Okay. Oh, much better, yes. Love that. And you know what? I'm gonna leave the tail alone because it looks fine. There we go. He's so cute. Or her. Look at. Okay. So the bunny's gonna kind of go here. So I need to fuzz this. I'll just fuzz it on my pants. All right. So, oops. Okay. And I'm gonna use Couture Teal, which was like, and probably is one of my favorite colors, always has been. I'm just gonna do it all in one color. I'm gonna make it easy peasy. Like that. Super easy. This is very sticky. So just kind of seesaw. If it's sticking, I just kind of gently, you know, seesaw. You don't want to yank it and pull your transfer or stretch your transfer. There we go. Oh my gosh. So I'm actually going to glue this. Oh, got a little Couture Teal there, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to glue it. And I'm actually going to use Gorilla Glue instead of hot glue just because this is a little heavy and I want to make sure it doesn't fall off. This takes a little bit longer to dry, but that's fine because I'm going to be sitting here. Because you don't want it to, you know, like spread out beyond your bunny. And you don't want too much that it's not going to dry. So. Right there. Pressing down. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Then I'm gonna glue some of the, what is this called, moss? I'm gonna glue some of the, and this stuff, it makes a mess, but it's so cute. It's gonna look so cute when I'm done. So let's see. I'm just gonna put, yeah, some of this toward the bottom. Cute, cute, cute. Like he's just like in the grass or something, just hippity hopping in along. Hopefully not in my yard because my dogs like to fetch rabbits. So probably wouldn't be a good idea to be in my yard, but although I don't know what they would do now because we used to have a rabbit and Tucker loved to run around with him. So I don't know what they would do now. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Okay, so I'm gonna hot glue down here. Oops, can't put too much right there. Oh my gosh. I seriously need to find my cordless glue gun. I'm just gonna kind of bunch it up, press it in there. It's gonna be so cute, I'm so excited. I just get so excited about a project because I do. I'm dropping moss on me. And then I have those cute little carrots. They're so cute. I feel like, let's see, let's try a flower. Oh, that would look cute. Let's see, a little flower by the carrot. Oh, yes, perfect. A little flower here. Little carrot. Oh my gosh, I love this. I wonder if I put the other little flower right here. Cute little brown flower right there. And I'm just gonna put this little flower here. I almost feel like I don't need another carrot. I feel like it's distracting. Too much. Just needs a little haircut. And then I'm gonna have to come in here with the vacuum because this Spanish moss stuff gets everywhere. Oh my gosh. Cute. Look at. What do you think? Thanks for joining me today again. And if you're watching this in the replay, make sure you let me know what you think. And also be sure to, I will link my VIP group in the comments so you can make sure and join that. I'm working on some fun bundles for that. So happy Thursday, it's almost the weekend. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another new transfer that's coming out next Tuesday. So I'll see you then. Bye guys.